Hello, my sweet friends. I just wanted to come on and wish you a very Merry Christmas to you and your family, and to thank you for being a supporter of my communities, either on YouTube, Facebook, and my Country Charm Crafty community. I appreciate you all. Or if you follow me on Instagram, I am just so appreciative to everyone that has reached out and or has sent me a special message in their Christmas card. Y'all have filled up my Merry Mail truck, and I'm not finished yet because I just went to my personal mailbox yesterday and had it was filled with more Christmas cards. So I'm going to be making more cards and get those out, because every person that sent me a card, I'm going to send a handmade card back. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and just wish you a Merry Christmas, and let us be reminded the true meaning of Christmas, about, Jesus was born in a manger many years ago. He grew up to be a man and died on the cross for our sins. And every day he gives me this platform to use. And I am trying to do my best to share his love through me with all of you. And I appreciate so many of you that have, reached out to me and have just said, thank you so much for sharing, because we have got to, take this back and, just make Christ the center of our world. And, Christ is the center of my home. And no matter where we are in the world, what we're going through, he is our best friend. Anyway, thank you so much. I wish you, again, a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for being here and your support. And we will talk to you all very soon. Okay? God bless.